Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to insert or embed YouTube videos on Canva. So by following the steps I will show you, you guys will be able to link your video on your presentation or on your any document, and whoever gets the documents PDF then clicks on that link, they will be taken to my YouTube channel or your YouTube channel or anything, alright? And they can also be able to see the video in the presentation. Let me show you how to do that. And if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So after you come to canva.com, you want to go on presentation and choose the type of presentation you want. So I'm going to go for this one, a blank presentation. And once the presentation loads up over here, what you want to do is where it says app at the left side of your screen, you want to go on apps. Once you're inside apps, you can see the search bar at the top. You want to click on the search bar and search for Embed, E-M-B-E-D, Embed, like this. Once you search for Embed, the Embeds tool should be shown to you. You just want to click on it. Once you click on it, YouTube's Embed tool is going to pop up over here like this. Now the link of the YouTube video which you just copied, paste it over here and click on add to design, and it will load for some time and the video will start to be displayed over here like this. So you can embed it on your project or anywhere you want. But yeah, so that's how you guys can embed YouTube videos on Canva. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.